What's up, y'all? It is your girl Angelle, and welcome back to Angelle's Life. So, today I have another I've Got Mail video, and I am going to make the talking portion super duper quick since there is an entire demo at the end of it. But I got a package from Amazon, and it's just two things. So the first thing I got was Ultra Fine Vitamin C Powder. This is like pure absorbic vitamin C. I have been really tired, and I don't know if it's because there's something going on with my immune system, or I've just become a lazy ass bitch, or I'm like not doing as much as I'm normally doing. So I am going to start taking high doses of vitamin C to try to rebuild my energy and my immune system, just in case, I'm low key like a health nut and so on and so forth, but that's a whole nother video. But yeah, I got this ultra fine vitamin C. I have not opened it yet. I will let you all know if it's really fine, if it dissolves, if it's gritty, and how it is. Because I'm actually not good with gritty things. I don't know if anybody has ever had to take like a supplement where they pour it in water and it's super duper gritty. I usually don't do good or do well with powders like that, but we shall see. So next, which is the main star and the demo, I have the Gellen Gel Nail Starter Kit. So those of you who are coming to Yakota, getting your nails done here, like acrylics, gel sets, soft gel, the whole nine, it is so fucking expensive. There's two salons on base. Both of them are Style League. One is located at the BX and the other one is located on the east side. Y'all, gel nails are like $50. Acrylic sets are upwards of $60-$70, and that's without a pedicure. So if you want a gel set, like a full gel set and a pedicure, it'll be about $90, and that is a lot of money, especially coming from where I'm coming from. That is a ton of money. So I was just like, I'm not going to continue to do that, especially when they don't last. I feel like once upon a time gel nails used to last like 2 or 3 weeks. Nah, I swear to God, since I'm paying all this money for them, they're only lasting like a week, and I'm just not about to be spending my money on that. I'd rather invest. I already do my toes and stuff myself, so I was like, I'll just invest in this and see how it works out. Plus it's the same fucking polish that they be using anyway, so whatever. But when you open the box up, has this in it. Oh my god, I just kind of ripped the box. I'm sorry. So I'm trying to get it out, guys. Okay, so this is the first part, and this is like the little accessories like diamonds and stuff if you want to add to your nails. This is the instructions. This if you want to make like dots. This is all for like customizing your nails and making them all nice and fancy. And this is to push back your cuticles. And here are the polishes. So this set was $43.99. It also comes with the little cuticle oil and rose oil, and then it comes with 4 polishes, and then the top coat and the base coat. And the colors are like nudier colors. I will leave a link to this particular set down below, but there's like another set that you can get that has like a couple different colors. And in the bottom, oh my god, apparently I'm like not good at getting this out. So, and then here is the LED lamp, LED lamp that comes with it, and it is a 24-watt lamp. Okay, so and in the LED lamp we have a buffer and a nail file. It's 100 by 180 grit, so it's pretty thick. And then the buffer is also 100 by 180. And here is the little lamp. It comes with a little cord here and the user manual here. So yeah, that's everything that comes in the box. And here it's like glitters. There's little polish remover, acetone pads, and just hold on. Another little, this has come with a lot of kits and shit. I don't know what the fuck this is. I'm not even gonna lie. Okay, this is for tips. If you want to do like fucking white tips, these are for you to put around your toes when you're polishing your feet so that they don't touch, in case you have like fucking wild ass toes that do what they want to do. And here is some little like nail designs that you can put on your nails. Probably won't be using these, but you never know. So yeah. If you would like to see a demo of me using the Gellen, I don't even think I've ever fucking said that, the Gellen nail starter kit, keep on watching. Alright, you guys, so my nails are already clean. My cuticles are cleaned and whatnot. So I'm going to start off with my base coat. And I'm going to put one layer of the base coat on all of my little nails. And then I am going to cure it for about 60 seconds. It says in the instructions that you only have to cure it for 30 seconds, but I am actually going to cure mine for 60 just to make sure they are dry. So let's do it. Okay, so now that I'm finished curing the base coat, I'm going to take my color, which is in 306, and I'm going to apply a thin layer on each of my nails. I am doing my hands one hand at a time just to ensure that I don't like mess up, by trying to, and not just that, I want the nails to like dry fast. Like I don't want to paint them, then paint the other one, then have one hand under the LED light and then put the other hand under there. So I am going to do it one hand at a time. I'm going to apply a thin layer to my nails and then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. After I cure for 60 seconds, I'm going to apply my second layer and then I will let that cure for 60 seconds as well. And you can definitely see RuPaul's Drag Race in the reflection of the LED lamp. So y'all know what I'm doing. Haha, surprise. So let's do that. So again, I am just adding a second layer just so that the nail color is more opaque, since this whole set is kind of nude. There are a couple colors in the set that you have to add 3, maybe even 4 layers, but with this color you only need 2 layers, and 2 layers should be fine. And then I'm going to let that cure for 60 seconds as well, and then I am going to apply the top coat, which I will be doing shortly, and I am going to let that cure for 90 seconds. Now the instructions say 30 seconds for base, 30 seconds for both layers of color, and 60 seconds for top coat, but I just choose to do it longer to make sure. So here I'm applying my top coat as I'm a little out of focus. And here I am letting it cure for 90 seconds. So let's see. top coat is dried, I am going to take a cotton ball and some regular rubbing alcohol, and I'm going to rub that across all my nails just to get away all of the residue. And there you have it. So I did my other hand off camera, but this is the final product. This is how it looks. So I obviously need a little bit of practice, but don't worry, I'll get better. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to all my videos. Okay, I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all in the next video.
Yeah. They be watching what I do. Hold it ready for the show. Hold it ready for the show.